Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for your devices. Today, we're tackling a super handy skill: how to scan QR codes on your Android phone in 2025. With QR codes everywhere, from menus to event tickets, this is a must-know for smooth digital navigation. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest software. In 2025, most Android phones come with built-in QR scanning capabilities, but we'll cover a few options to ensure you're covered. Start by unlocking your phone and opening the camera app. That's right, your camera is often the easiest tool for this. Once the camera is open, point it at the QR code you want to scan. Hold steady for a second. Most modern Android devices, like those running Android 16 or later, will automatically detect the QR code and highlight it on screen. If it doesn't happen right away, look for a Scan QR Code option in your camera settings or a dedicated button. It's usually in the viewfinder. If your phone doesn't have this feature built in, don't worry. Head to the Google Play Store and download a reliable app like Google Lens or a dedicated QR scanner. These apps are free and super intuitive. After installing, open the app, grant it camera access, and point your phone at the QR code. The app will process it quickly and show you the linked content, whether it's a website, contact info, or even a payment link. One quick tip: make sure your screen brightness is up and you're in a well-lit area for the best results. If you're having trouble, try cleaning your camera lens or restarting the app. In 2025, with advancements in AI, scanning is faster than ever, but these basics still apply. And there you have it. Scanning QR codes on Android is straightforward and hassle-free. Give it a try next time you see one, and let us know in the comments how it goes. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.